Hey I'm back again with another video. What we have here is the Axial SMT10, and I think it's been around 9 months that I haven't run this car. Basically, it just keep on breaking every time I run it. I even call this RC car as Sir Break a lot. So I have, from the last run, there's quite a few things that's broken, which I have fixed all of them. Mostly it's just a shaft that got bent, which already replaced with a HD part. And the other thing that I believe most of SMT10 owner will have problem is the rounding of the hex in there. I tried to purchase. I've tried the epoxy glue 2 times. I don't think it's gonna work for us. Yeah, it lasts for a bit, but then it just keep on coming off all the time. And the other thing that we can do is basically purchase another replacement, which is not available in Australia, and even an aftermarket like Dura Trucks munition is not available in Australia as well. Like if I purchase from the States and basically send it here, it's going to cost me around $250, and it's not worth it at all. The other tires that I can find from on AliExpress is actually smaller. I'll show you what I meant. So what we have is the Stampede. The one that I use on my Stampede here is basically from AliExpress, but if you see the size of it, you can see it's different. It's a smaller size, and it's, yep, I don't think, I mean, the truck is slow already, even though I have like 3500 kV brushless in there. It's with the stock gearing, it's already slow. And I like this tires better though. This tires is way more better. So I saw on the internet there's someone that create this solution. I mean, all credit goes to this guy. He basically created an attachment for Axial SMT10, and this is gonna be I believe this is gonna be a great solution for those that have running up. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna try to set it up, because there's quite some work that need to be done. Basically, we just need to cut the hexes there, and I'll show you what we need to do. So that's what it looks like after you did the Dremel. I use this bit in here. I'm sorry, I don't know what's the name of that one, to cut it off, everything like that. And I use this bit in here to clean it up. And you need to cut a lot from here. I'll show you the other one. So basically you need to remove this part in here, all of this round one, and cut it up to here. That one, and all of those one, until you can see like that. Now all of this slot, 1 2 3 4 5 6 slot, is gonna fit in there. You need a 7mm hex, and once you are done, once you cut it clean, all you need to do is just press it, and it'll just center it by itself automatically. It's gonna be centering it nicely. Press it all the way down. On Thingiverse, he did mention that you need to screw in like at least 3 screws, like M3 screws, 1 2 3, or so you can use all 6 of them. But I did try to press it all in, and I feel like this is already strong enough. I don't think you need to screw anything. I think that's already perfect just as it is. So yeah, when you're dremeling, there's no way to back out. You just need to be committed and do it all the way in. I was gonna back out. I was like, this is just gonna mess it up. But yeah, all you need to do is just go all in, and You can see the results in there. That's basically, and that's print on PETG, 100% infill. Yeah, that feels super strong though, super strong. So I don't think it's gonna break. I feel it's even stronger than the rim as well. So there you go, guys. All you need to do is basically do it in all those wheels. I'm not quite sure if you need the screws. I don't think you really need the screws in there. That looks really good. So yep, there you go. It's all fixed now. So basically, you can see. Hang on. There you go. You can see in there that the 3D printed hex is in there, and yep, it's just right there. It's quite late now, but I'll give it a try in the backyard and see how we go with this one. Okay, I hope it's bright enough that you can see the run. The one thing that I learned is you really need to smooth it out. If not, the tire start wobbling. It took me 35 minutes for each, 35 to 40 minutes for each tire to do it nicely. We'll see how we go. This is on 2S batteries only. Oop. Hang on. So yep, there you go, guys. That's a quick test. Normally, if the hex start running out, you can actually hear it. Like it sounded like a slipper clutch kind of thing. There's no power to the wheels, so it's not instant kind of thing. This is quite a good one. And yes, this is just a short test. We'll give it a try this weekend and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.